Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the another chapter, our chapter 4, playing with numbers. Here in your first exercise 4.1, basically you have to write the number in generalized form. Generalized form is same as your standard form or expanded form. Then reverse number. Then there will be some word problems. Numbers in general form or generalized form, that is same as your expanded form. If there is a two-digit number means if I have a number 57, so if you are going to write in two-digit form, then you must write the place value of each digit and add the place value. So that gives you no need to add further, you just write in the expanded form according to the place value. Like 5 is tens position, so we write 5 into 10, 50. 7 is one position, so we write 7 into 1, 7. It means 10 into tens place plus 1 into 1 place. You have to write the number in their position, multiplication of position and face value. Okay. Is it, if it is again, if I have a number 49, so I write 40 plus 9, 10 into 4 plus 1 into 9, 10 into tens and 1 into 1 place digit, 1 place digit, 10 place digit, and multiply the position. Suppose if I have a in place of a digit, if there is a variable like AB, so how you convert into the digit form? Like A is in the tens position, so you multiply A with 10 and B is in 1 positions, so you have to multiply B with 1 and add, and the required number will be 10A plus B. 10A plus B means if I have any number in place of A and B, because A and B are the variables. If I have any number in place of A and B, if I place the number here, I get easily form the two-digit number. Similarly, if I have a three-digit number, if you check, 2 is in 100 position, 4 is in 10 position, and 5 in 1 position. You just multiply the digit with the position. So how you write? 100 multiplied by 100 place position number. Then 10 multiplied by 10th place position number, and 1 multiplied by 1 place position number. So this is the expanded form. So if in place of digit, because this is the exact value, in place of digit, if I have a variable is there like A, B, C, so it means my digits are missing in place of A, B, C. So if I have to find, so first I will have to arrange A into 100 plus B into 10 plus C into 1, so that becomes 100A plus 10B plus C. Suppose in your question, why we write this one? Reason of that, suppose I have to find two-digit number, so I consider at one place any variable and tens place any variable, so I write that in expanded form. Similarly, if I have three-digit number means in a single number there will be a 3-digit, so according to the position I will expand the number, like 100A plus 10B plus C. So that is the general formula created. It means you have to find three-digit number, so you have to find the A, B, C position of 3 digits, what will be the value in place of 3 digits, then you have to apply here, you get the number. If you don't do like that, if you separately find A, B, C and place it here, then your question will be wrong, because you can't directly write the variable in place of variable the digit. You have to write in the proper way, because particular variable has particular position. You multiply with the position of particular variable, then you have to add. Now what is the reversing number? Reversing number means if you have a two-digit number like 72, you want to reverse, you interchange the number with their digits. If it is only two-digit number, like 1 place move to the 10 place and 10 place move to the 1 place. Like if I write reverse of 72, reverse, and don't confuse with this inverse. This is the reverse. Reverse means last position digit come at first position and first position digit shifted to the last position. Here 7 and 2, but if I have only 2-digit number, then 2-digit interchange their places. Like 1 place digit move to the 10 place, and 10 place move to the 1 place. So we can write reverse of 72 is 27. But if in place of 72 any AB variable is written, so how you reverse this one? Like 10A plus B, that was my expanded form of the number, so I just interchange the digit. It becomes 10B plus A. 10B plus A will be my reverse number of variable form. But if I have a 3-digit number like 468, okay, so what will you do? No need to change the middle one, you just last digit exchange with the first digit, or swap first and last digit with each other. Like 864 is the reverse number of 468. Then how in the variable form, instead of there is a digit, if it's a variable like 100A plus 10B plus C, then B not be changed, B will be keep as it is 10 position, only C and A will be interchanged. Position will not interchange, only digit will interchange, and which position they shifted, that position is multiplied with that digit. Like here, if C shift to here, then 100 multiplied by C, B no change, and when A shift to here, A multiplied by position, which position it shifted. Suppose in this case, if I have a question, sum of the 2-digit number is 9. If I have sum of 2-digit number is 9, if the digits are reversed, the new number so formed increases by 27. Ultimately my question is, if I have two numbers mean 2-digit numbers, so in place of ones there is a 1 digit, and in place of tens there is another digit. Okay, so what will be that digit? If you reverse that digit and add 27 in that will be your original number, your reverse number. Like already you have given, if you add the digit, some clue will be given to you in your question how you will find the digit. Question is given, if you have 2 digits, 1 place we consider as X and 10 place we consider as Y, and in question you have given, if you add these 2 digits, that will gives you 9. It means Y is equal to 9 minus X. So what I will do next, then how I write Yx? Yx, that is my original number, 10 into Y plus 1 into X, because X1 is in unit place and Y was in 10 place, so original number becomes 10Y plus X. But if I want to write the reverse number, I just interchange the variables, position not be interchanged, 10X plus Y, and according to the statement you have given, if your reverse number is equal to, if you add 27 in your original number, that will be same as your reverse number. So here what you will do, you just shift all xy value here, that will give you 9x minus 9y is equal to 27. 27 divided by 9 gives you 3, that is x minus y is equal to 3. In your first equation where you have to write here y is equal to 9 minus x, you just substitute here in this equation y is equal to 9 minus x, that is in your starting equation. Then you try to find the x value. If I found the x value like 2x is equal to 9 plus 3, x is equal to 6. This same 6 value I substitute here y to find the y value. Then 9 minus 6 give me 3. That means my x digit is 6 and y digit is 3. I check also, is when you add x plus y gives you 9. Yes, 6 plus 3 gives me 9. That is your statement in your question. Now what is your original number? Original number was 10y plus x. We just replace the y digit value. 10 into 3 plus 6, 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. If you want to check your answer is correct or not, what you will do, you consider same statement here. This is your left side, this is right side. You can check. Right side here you get 36. 36 plus 27 give you 63. But when you check with the left side, your digit variable was interchanged like x and y, so that becomes 63. That means left side is equal to right side and our statement is correct. Now in this case I have some your exercise question, Like here, write the following in generalized form. You have some question is there, you just write in the expanded form. Then reverse number, you have 2-digit number, 3-digit number, you have to write the reverse order. Next is, in your statement, sum of 2-digit of a 2-digit number is 12. If you have to find the 2-digit number, okay. If you add these 2 digits separately, that gives you 12. if the digits are reversed, अगर आप उन digit को reverse कर दो, the new number so formed increase by 36. They said the new number so formed increase by 36. Find the number. They said if the digits are reversed, the new number so formed increase by 36. It means अगर original number में आप 36 add कर दो, ओरिजिनल नंबर में अगर आप 36 ऐड कर दो, जो आपको न्यू नंबर मिलेगा वो उसका रिवर्स हो जाएगा. ओके, तो ये एक्चुअली आपने फाइंड आउट करना है. लेट डिजिट एट वन प्लेस डिजिट इज x, 10 प्लेस डिजिट इज y. अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टेटमेंट आई हैव गिवन, आई ऐड द डिजिट दैट इज इक्वल टू 12, y इज इक्वल टू 12 माइनस x. ओरिजिनल नंबर इज इक्वल टू 10y प्लस x and reverse number is 10x plus y. So 10x plus y is equal to 10y plus x plus 36. Now when you shift all xy value here, that gives you 9x minus 9y is equal to 36. And ultimately your equation is x minus y is equal to 4. That is left when 9 is multiplied with x minus y, move to other side, that changes into divide. X minus y is equal to 36 divided by 9. 9 4s are 36, x minus y is equal to 4. That is your second equation. Now your first equation, when y is equal to 12 minus x, that first equation you have to substitute here in place of y, because two different variables in one equation you can't find. First you have to make the same variable. So same variable, how you will make? You substitute y value that is in form the x in this same second equation. 12 minus x, open the bracket because negative sign was outside. X minus 12 plus x is equal to 4. 2x is equal to 12 plus 4. 2x is equal to 16. X is 16 divided by 2 and x is equal to 8. Similarly, if you find the x value, same x value substituted in y. Y is equal to 12 minus 6. 12 minus 8 gives you 4. And when you replace the value, your original number will be 10 into 4 plus 8. Next is same type of question. Your fourth question, instead of increase, now here is decrease is there. It means you have to find the 2-digit number. Sum of digits is given you to 7, and if in original number you subtract 27, you will get the reverse number. So that is your equation, and you have to find the original number. Question was same, only in previous question we add 36. Here we will subtract 27. Here x and y, 1 place is x, 10 place is y. X plus y is equal to 7, y is equal to 7 minus x. Original number is equal to 10y plus x, and reverse number is equal to 10x plus y. According to the statement, reverse number is equal to original number minus 27. And when you solve, all x y value shifted on the left side. 9 is common, x minus y minus 27. X minus y is equal to minus 27 divided by 9. X minus y is equal to minus 3. That is your second equation. Substitute first equation in the second equation, that is 7 minus x, that is y is equal to 7 minus x. You get 2x is equal to 7 minus 3, 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 7 minus x is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So what is your original number? Original number is 10y plus x. 10 into 5 plus 2, 50 plus 2 is equal to 52. That will be your original number. Now your fifth question is, you have to find the missing variable value. If you have like two number is given to you, 2a7, 5a6 and b9, 3. You have to find the value, what will be the value of a and b. Whatever a value is here, same will be here also. Okay. So first we check the condition. We have two options. If 9 is there, that means if you add a plus a, unit place should be 9. So I have two options in this. Before that you have to check first one, like 7 plus 6 give you 13, 3, and that means 1 is carry here. So whenever you check with, that will be 1 plus a is equal to 9. 2 is equal to 9 minus 1, then 2 is equal to 8, a is equal to a divided by 2 is equal to 4. That means in a position, if I 4 plus 1, that will be your answer 9. And here similarly, if a is equal to 4, then b will be 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Now if I change the value of a, suppose in place of a, 1 plus a, any number whose unit place is 9. So that can be 19, that can be 29. According to that, b value will be changed. Suppose we consider that in place of here, like a plus a, 1 plus a, that will be 90. So in that case, my a value becomes 9, because 1 plus a is equal to 19, 2 is equal to 19 minus 1, then 2 is equal to 18, a is equal to 18 divided by 2, then a is equal to 9. If a is equal to 9, then it means if a is equal to 9, then 1 plus 9 give me 90. In that case, 1 will be carried forward. Then 1 plus 2 plus 5 gives me 8. That means in that case, if I consider my a value is 9, b value will be 8. But if I consider my a value is 4, b value will be 7. Now next, one last question of your exercise. If x and y are 2-digit number such that x plus y is equal to 220 and the difference between x and y is 20. In last two questions you find the 2-digit number, but here how will you identify the 3-digit number? They said that x and y are two different type of 3-digit numbers. If you add these two 3-digit number, not digit separately, add to this 3-digit number, your answer will be 220. And condition is that the difference of these 2-digit number is 20. 3-digit number, name we given as x and y. Then find the number. If I have a x is a 3-digit number, according to that, if I consider in place of x as 3-digit, a, b, c. So how I write a, b, c? Expanded form, 100a plus 10b plus c. Then difference of these two 3-digit number is 20. That is given in my question. So that x is equal to y plus 20. So y is equal to x minus 20. I just replace all x value here in place of x. I got the value of y in 3-digit form. 10 100a plus 10b plus c minus 20. Now this 10b and 20 is a multiple of 10. That means that is lies in the 10th position. So I take 10 common from these two, and my required 3-digit number of y is 100a plus 10 into b minus 20 b minus 2 plus c here. Now what you have to arrange this 100 tens and ones. Here is a, b, c, a, b minus 2, c. So whatever their position is there, x and y, you just arrange in 100 tens and 100th position, ones, tens and 100 position. So your question said that if you add these digits of x and y, you will get 220. Now next question is how we'll find the value of c, b and a. First we go with c. If we add these two numbers, gives me 0. That means my c is 0. But if we add b minus 2 is equal to 2. That be in one place. You can consider 12 also. But if we go with the 2, whatever is given, so according to that my b value is 2. Now here a plus a, so there is no carry forward. So a plus a is also 2. So in that case my a value is 1. If I just replace the ABC value, I can check my answer is 220. Thank you. Have a nice day.